Hey guys, so today is Valentine's Day, and because of the outside world situation, a lot of people probably can't do fun stuff outside, so I think for this year I'm gonna bake some cookies. Yeah, hopefully they turn out okay, because I'm definitely not a baker, unlike my friend Amy Rao. Shout out to Amy Rao. In fact, she was the one who gave me or sauced me the recipe for the chocolate chip cookies that I'm about to make. So hopefully they turn out very nice. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, after 1 hour of baking, we are finally done. The cookies just came out of the oven, and take a look. Taste test time. It's better than I thought. I thought it would taste like crap, but it's actually not bad.
The cookies tasted really good. Thank you.
Alright, what do I have to say about the process? It went terribly. For a couple of reasons. One of the weird problems that I had was my house doesn't have any white sugar. Can you believe it? Because I can't. When I found out that I didn't have white sugar, I was like... And so I ended up having to use the coffee sweeteners in those tiny packages. I ended up using like 50 of them, maybe even more, to make up for the white sugar that I had to use. And so that was kind of a pain in the ass. That took quite a bit of time. And then also butter. So like for the recipe, I was supposed to use like butter sticks and then have them at room temperature and stuff like that. But then my mom assisted me by melting the butter on a stovetop the day before, so yesterday, February 13th. And then the whole house smelled like butter in a bad way for like many hours. And so this morning, just now, when I was about to start making it, it was already hardened, and so we had to remelt it. And then after we melted it, it was too damn hot, and like we couldn't use it because the recipe said that the butter has to be in room temperature, and it was definitely not room temperature. That shit was hot as hell. And so we put it in the fridge. I had to wait for 30 minutes, something like that, and then to continue with the process. So yeah, everything took maybe an hour, maybe a bit more than an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this short baking vlog, and yeah, have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.